Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to check previous bios on Instagram. So go to your profile page. On the top you can see these three horizontal line, tap there, and on the bottom you can see settings, tap there. Now here in this page click on security, and here you can see on data and history, access data, tap there. So here you can see your previous account infos, profile infos. So in profile infos you can see this former bio texts, tap there, and these are the text I used in my bios previously. Click view more. So all this text I used in my bio before. So that's all guys. Likewise you can see your previous bio in Instagram. Thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.